What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I thought I would make this video on the best CPA offers because this is a question that I get asked all the time. What's the best CPA offers? Best CPA offers. Best CPA offers. Best CPA offers. All right. So first things first. Let's jump over here to the whiteboard so I can explain a few things beforehand. Right. So the best CPA offer is the wrong way of looking at it. Right. Because let's say this offer. Let's say it's like a loan offer. Right. Let's say people are absolutely crushing it with this loan offer. It's the best thing on the best offer on the network. It's featured. It's the highest converting, the whole 9 yards, right? So technically, if you look at it in terms of converting on the network, this would be considered the best offer. But if you go and run this same exact offer, does that mean it's going to be the best offer for you? Does that mean you're going to get any conversions? Does that mean anything? No, it means absolutely nothing. There is no best CPA offer. The best offers, is literally any offer that converts. That simple, right? The only thing that matters about your offer is who you put in front of it. That simple, right? This just might be the combined of this is the combined of all the people on the network running this offer, right? But there might be somebody that's running a completely different offer and seeing way better numbers than this offer right here. So that might be the best offer on the network, right? So, I mean, it really just depends on how you're looking at it. But for the most part, guys, there really isn't a best offer. As long as the offer converts, you're going to be pretty much good to go. Now, another thing you need to do is join multiple different networks, right? If you can't get into a private owned super affiliate network, what you need to do is join multiple different networks, So if you're a newbie, I would say join Shave Bounty, Purefly. What else is there? Cash Network. What else is there? There was another one. Neverblue. All right. So join those networks or whatnot because they're super easy to get into. Except for Cash Network, you need a referral or whatnot. And if you're a newbie, odds are no one's going to give you a referral. I'm just be fair with you. But all the other ones though, they're super easy to get into. And even without a referral link, you can get into them if you're hitting the right numbers. But if you're hitting the right numbers, there's no reason to join them. Any network that's shaves you, there's no point in joining. Like after you hit like $5,000 for the month, I highly recommend going and trying to get into a super affiliates network because then you don't have to worry about getting shaved by all these companies here because literally every single one on here shaves you. So that's just what I would recommend. Obviously, you guys have to follow that. There are some people who still run traffic to Shave Bounty, Purefly, Cash Network, Neverblue for like forever. So that is just what your preference is. Like I personally want to make more money. But yeah, so you go join all these networks here, and then basically, let's say they all got the same exact offer. All right. So then you would basically take that offer link, and if you can either put it in like your CPV labs, like Rotator type thing, So basically, you have all four of the links, and then you'll just keep running traffic to it. And then let's say Cash Network gives you the best conversion rate. Let's say you're getting like 40%. Then it goes all the way down to like Shave Bounty where you're getting like 10%. All right, so then for a fact that you should be running all your traffic to Cash Network or Neverblue or whatever the top one is, right? So that's where you would run it. Basically, you just want to test and see which one. So that's why I say join multiple different networks because you're being shaved in all of them, but you just want to go to the one where you're being shaved the least, right? Like Max Bounty, aka Shave Bounty or whatnot, they will like sometimes literally like just shave like 100% of your leads. I mean, then you hit them up like, hey, I'm getting shaved or is my link broken or something like that. They're like, no, 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 you're not being shaved. Like you'll legit send like 500 clicks over of high quality high quality clicks. For a fact you're getting conversions. You switch the link out and it works on other networks. Like you're being shaved 100%. But then they'll go, oh, no, and then they'll probably hit you up a couple days later after you stop running traffic. Like, oh, well, you were right. We just put a credit on your account. They probably legit give you like 30, 40 bucks or some stuff like that, and legit keep like the other couple hundred. Like it's like they're really a dirty company or whatever. But I mean, it is what it is. Like it's all part of the game when you're first starting out in this stuff here. But yeah, that's what the main thing is, guys. You want to join different networks so that way you can see which one is shaping you the least, so that way you can run traffic to it the most. So quick recap. it doesn't matter what the best offer is, the feature offer, the one that's most converting or whatnot. The only thing that matters is who you put in front of it. Then you also want to join several different networks, take all the links, put it in a rotator, and then see which one gives you the best conversion. Then from there, you want to take that one and then run the offer on that network exclusively until, it dies out or whenever the campaign is or however, your stuff goes. So that's the main thing. All right. Now let's get into the actual offers itself. So I always recommend, if you're running free traffic, stay away from the biz op niche. Stay away from all of that, because what a lot of people are doing is they're doing this right here, right? They go to the Facebook on their regular profile at that too. So they're like on their regular, like real profile, they'll go and join these Facebook groups. All right, and then they basically will start promoting the offer. All right, and they'll be using a landing page and stuff like that, so they're safe or whatever. But they're promoting this offer. They didn't even check to see if it was real or whatever the case may be. And 99% of these CPA offers, like in the BizOp niche, are 100% scams. Let me just be 100%. It is what it is. Like legit, like legit real life scams. So you gotta really check and see what's going on with those, because the CPA networks normally don't care. They just as long as the advertiser has money, they really don't care. It's just that simple, But yeah, so they go to Facebook. They go to Facebook, go to Facebook groups, promote the offer. All right. Now, when they're doing that, though, these are other people who say they're business owners, but 99% they're not business owners. They're just, again, regular, typical 9-to-5 people with a computer, and they're like, oh, well, this is a scam. This doesn't work. This is a scam. All that type of stupid stuff. You're going to run into that literally every single day when it comes to posting in Facebook groups and posting CPA offers. Even if it's a legit 100% legit opportunity, you are still going to have bumfuck people in there like, oh, this is a scam. It doesn't work. It's a scam. I got to put up money. It's a scam. And these are legit people who are claiming to be business owners. You aren't even legally recognized as a business if you don't have a LLC, or something like that where you go through the government. So you have to pay for that. So if you are not willing to pay money, then you aren't even a business owner. It's just ridiculous. But I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, and then even worse way is that people will legit post these on their Facebook profile. Now that's the worst way to promote these offers. You don't never want to promote CPA offers on your Facebook profile, no matter what it is. I mean, I guess unless it works 100%, but even then, I just wouldn't recommend posting any CPA offers on your Facebook profile. But that's just me or whatever. So yeah, don't do that. You can do the same exact method with literally any other offer. Any typical regular consumer offer is going to be the best offers when it comes to promoting in Facebook groups and stuff like that. Because these same people who are going to be like, oh, this is a scam, this doesn't work, and all this stuff have no problem. They'll be like, oh, $20, that's a scam. But they'll legit go and spend $20 on some helicopter or a new charging station for the phones when they already have one. They'll just go and spend the money up on stupid stuff, and then not even consider taking a chance of making money with, I guess, just stupid stuff. So thinking about just broke minded people make me so upset sometimes. It's just the mindset is just so weird. But yeah, best thing is gonna be e-commerce again, this stuff right here. The technical flashlights, stuff like that. I don't know if that's exactly what this is, but I'm thinking that's what this is here. But yeah, those flashlights, everyone was selling those. That was a super big hot item. A lot of people was actually buying those from Alibaba suppliers and then sending them to Amazon. I actually just found that out or whatnot when I was doing some research, so I missed that train or whatever. But yeah, it's super simple stuff, guys. Just use offers that are extremely, consumer base, right? Anything in the e-commerce, like a bark box, stuff like that. Instead of running a offer where, let's say it's a free, they're gonna get free dog food and stuff like that. When it's not real, all they're gonna do is just, send them a crap ton of random nonsense and, just a whole bunch of surveys and all this upsell and all this extra stuff, right? Instead of doing that and, posting in groups and then getting kicked out of the group and all that because the offer doesn't work, just simply pick an offer that's legit, that is work, or people have to pay money, like anything else. Like I said, when it comes to the business opportunity, if you only ran biz op niches and stuff like that, you're gonna hear, oh, I don't have any money, I don't have any money, I don't have any money. I guarantee if you run like an e-commerce or some stuff that people don't need, you're never gonna hear that. Never gonna hear that. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff.